Hey guys, this is Naresh. So in this video, we will talk about WebDriverManager. So when you work on the Selenium code, you would have noticed that sometimes it is very pain to download a driver for a browser. It can be a Chrome driver or it can be a Firefox driver, because sometimes we have to keep on updating this driver from time to time because these are keep on updating on the basis of the browser version. And if you know, like in Chrome also, sometime it update the browser in 1 or 2 months. So in a year you would say like 6-7 updates we get for the Chrome, and for that you have to update your drivers also. So it's actually very pain. So WebDriverManager is an API through which this pain can be reduced. I will show you how. So let me take one example of Selenium code. If you remember that whenever we write a Selenium code, this is something which we need to write. It can be in your own code or it can be within the framework which you are using. Okay, it can be some framework which on which you are working. So maybe in that framework there is a line of code which is written. But if you notice that when I say that system.set property, I am giving the driver name, that what is my driver and where it is stored, and this is the driver I need to download from the website, right? So normally what we do that whenever we are working on Selenium, we have to just type something like Selenium Chrome driver, just create a simple manager dependency. Okay, and this is the MVN dependency. I can go, and here these are different versions. I can go to 3.8.1, and this is the dependency I can give if it's my Maven project. But if I'm not using a Maven project, I can directly click on this jar file and it will download a jar file for me. Okay, like this. Okay, but I would prefer it's I would give it as a Maven dependency. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, I'm going to pom.xml where I can give my Maven dependency. So this is already there. Let me see. Okay, so see, it's already there. Okay, this one. So this is the WebDriverManager, and this is 3.8.1 which I have given just now. Okay, so this is a dependency I need to give, and will download this library. After that, I can just go back to my code and I can just write the similar code which was written on this website, that is WebDriverManager.ChromeDriver.setup. okay, WebDriverManager dot see, and when I put a dot, you can see all the drivers here. It includes Firefox driver, Chrome driver, other things. So I will just choose Chrome driver, and then after that, when I put a dot, there are some different versions, there are some different methods given. For example, there's a setup method, there's an arc32 method, there's an architecture method. So there are many other things which we can do. So I'm just telling you the simple thing which we can do right now. So we will just choose setup. Okay, so this will go ahead and download the driver on the basis of my browser. Yes, so this is automatic. As per the version of my browser, this will download the specific driver onto my PC. Okay, so this is given, and now we can just write the simple code what we have written before. This one, WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, and then I can just open any website. Okay, so I will just write here WebDriver new Chrome driver. Okay, and driver.get, and I will just open the google.com. Okay, simple. So I have given just this line, WebDriver.manager.ChromeDriver.setup, and this WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver, and driver.get www.google.com. So let me just run this now. Wait. Okay, let me just run it from here. Okay, it's running now. See, now my Chrome is open. With the help of that, the driver is downloaded, it's open, and it has opened the website. Okay, And if you see here, if I just refresh it, okay, so you will see that it should have downloaded here in this library, and you can even see that it should have been downloaded into my M2 folder. So basically the library which I have given in dependency, that will download it into the M2 folder, but this driver, the driver which we are using, that's also get downloaded into some temporary folder for us. Okay, and if you want to see more details about this, because this is one just single method which we most of the time which we use, but if you want some other methods to use, so for example these are the one, if you want some particular version to get downloaded, you can just give dot version and that version number. So there should be an example of that also. Yeah, this one, see, it's WebDriverManager.ChromeDriver.version 2.26.setup. Okay, and if you want to have some kind of a proxy, then also you can give the proxy here. So these are different methods which you can try on, but this was the most simple method which I wanted to let all you know, so that next time when you are working on any of the framework, or if you're working on your project itself, you can use that. So that will ease some of the pain which we get when we're trying to download different drivers from time to time. Okay, so that's it from my side today. All right, thank you.